our saving and investment plans in gold. So rainy. This is the most beautiful, simple yet elegant. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Deepika Gokalakanan. Today's brand new video is all about gold shopping here in Singapore. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. Please watch till the end of the video where I'll be sharing our saving and investment plans in gold yearly here in Singapore. The tips and tricks will be useful for you all while you buy the gold next time. So today's plan is all about, my husband asked me to buy a modern, sleek, yet simple, elegant piece of necklace along with the matching earring. So we'll see how it goes. I'll catch you guys in the end of the video to share how we invest and save money in gold. So I hope you enjoy this shopping vlog. And today is so rainy. We're taking our baby also with us, and I don't know how it turns out. So we'll see. Hey guys, we have reached here. We are currently in front of Kailash Parbat and we are opposite to Mustafa here. This is one of my favorite restaurants for
the earring specialized because
Here we reached Malabar. I have selected this most beautiful, simple yet elegant necklace set. This is the matching earring. They have different types of very good collections in Malabar, from ethnic to divine collections to most modern and platinum wares, diamond wares. These are the beautiful platinum bracelets for men and women, along with the platinum rings. Finally decided to buy this necklace set, so build it, and it was very late in the evening, so decided to dine out, and we came to this Kumbhakarna Andhra cuisine restaurant. I must say a big thumbs up for this gongura chicken, and we got this mutton rajugari pulav, I think, and then we got obviously the Hyderabadi chicken biryani. Yes, we over ordered the food and we couldn't finish it off. So we had only the chicken Hyderabadi biryani and took a takeaway of this mutton rajugari pulav. To start with, we have a scheme here in Singapore. Most likely, I'll buy my gold either in Malabar, occasionally in Joyalaka, but mostly in Malabar. we go for a scheme plan which is a yearly basis. It is of two kinds actually. The first one is of where we need to pay a certain amount for 11 months, and on the 12th month the Malabar Gold and Diamonds will provide you that amount what we have been investing in monthly. Say for an example, if I am investing in $200 monthly, then on the 12th month Malabar Gold and Diamonds provide us that $200 into our account. And the second kind is all about we pay a certain amount, for example of $200 monthly, and that particular day how much the gold amount will be calculated, and to say it is of around like $60 per gram, like 3.56 certain grams will be accumulated on the particular day. Gold price grams will be calculated for the $200 and will be accumulated onto our account. So likewise it will be calculated monthly for 11 months, and on the 12th month it will be matured for us to buy the gold. So this 12th month of the $200 will be a profit for us, because that will be provided to us by the Malabar Gold and Diamonds itself, or either the Joyalukkas. It depends upon the place where we buy the gold. So this is of how, like the first one is how we save the amount from the 12th month deposited amount, and the second kind is of about if you calculate the average price of the gold for that 11 months will be a profit for us. To say today's gold price is around $75.40 here in Singapore, and for the last 1 year if I'm just paying on each and every month, if the gold price is being varied from around like $70 to $80 to the max of, then the average amount will be calculated and it will be a profit for us. So that's how we usually invest here in gold. And to be more precise, I consider this as an investment, but my husband thinks this is a yearly purchase for me, and he will not say this is an actual investment, but he prefers to buy a gold coin or a gold bar for the actual investment purpose. So it is purely according to you all. The differences is of the gold piece will have the higher amount of making charges. If you go for the gold coins or the gold bars, there will be a very negligible amount of a making charge for the 8 grams of a gold coin. There will be a making charge of around only $10. So it's purely depending upon you, whether you are going to buy for ornamental piece or for the investment purpose, either in a gold coins or in the gold bar. The early ones how we invest is that we take up the scheme plan where we have to pay for 11 months, and on the 12th month it will be deposited by the shop itself. So we go for that scheme, and also we try to do the saving in a gold coin or a gold bar occasionally, yearly once or twice on our special days. Either we buy 8 grams of gold or like 1 gram of a gold. So it's purely depending upon our mood on that day. So this is how we invest and save money here in gold. This is the most beautiful, simple yet elegant neck piece which I have found in the shop, along with this beautiful earring. Comment down guys if you like it as much as like me. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and comment down below about your thoughts on the neck piece and the earrings, and most importantly subscribe to our channel. And I'll catch you guys with the most interesting and the useful content with you all very soon. Bye.